So this is the wiring. That's brass, copper wiring. And it's insulated wiring, but the insulation has literally rotted right off of it. Ain't that pretty? Oh, that'd be fun if you hooked that to a battery. I'm gonna try to pull all this stuff out of the way, and this is the thing I was talking about. This is a big old Toro leaf sucker. This was in Art's basement after he died, and I brought it home. I wasn't sure if we'd ever use it, but man, we've used the daylights out of it for sucking up leaves and stuff. It's just been an awesome tool. So let's find me a cord and plug that baby in. We just suck some dust, dirt, and debris out of this thing. And let's see what's left after we do that. Oh joy. Oh joy. So I want to remember to take a picture of my air conditioners from Mason Fox, because he always asks some questions. He's a question asker. I think a few people might have run him off because he asked too many questions, but I don't know. I figured, you know, he's nice enough to hang out with me. I don't mind hanging out with him. Ain't none of us perfect. But I'll try to remember to shoot some pictures of my aero conditioner just to satisfy his curiosity. Oh, that was fun. I see now. Off. Let's try off while we're plugging it in. Get it plugged in, and then we'll suck something out of here. This thing sucks this stuff up, grinds it up, puts it in this bag. It's pretty handy. So, we got a lot of junk in there to be sucked up. As good as I hoped it would. It worked good for leaves, but it ain't doing much for this pine straw. So what I might need to do instead is to shovel out the pine straw. Be nice if I had a little scooper or broom or something. I've got to get me some gloves. I don't know how many snakes are up under that seat, but I'm hoping after being in here with the air conditioner, they all went to sleep. Snakes don't like cold air. That's something I got going for me on my side. Is have some cold air to drive the snakes away. Oh joy! So I decided not to wear my bathing suit while I'm doing this, but I might change my mind at any moment. So y'all just be aware. Be aware that you might have to deal with it. Be aware. Okay? Okay. 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 I'll just get me a trash can here. I suppose I could throw up a bucket and go jump in the woods instead of putting it in the trash can. Because I could just jump in the woods. It is biodegradable material. Don't know, I might find a treasure over in here. That'd make it a lot easier to clean this up, though. Yeah, that's what it looks like without the seed in it. Nice thing about it, if I shovel out all this stuff, then I should be able to get a vacuum over in here and pull some stuff out of it. I need me a garden trowel. Some of this old wood's turned into compost here. A little shovel, a little short handle shovel would work. Get rid of some of this. Let me go see what I can find. So, yeah, this piece of wood in the bottom here that seat used to be attached to is literally disintegrated to dust. compost. I saw a guy the other day, he was doing a gardening video and he was talking about putting wood in the bottom of a raised garden and turning it into compost. That's what happened here. So I'll keep pulling stuff out and see what it looks like. I don't want this to become my whole big project. I want to work on the rat rod before the weekend. We got a car show coming up. But getting this cleaned out, getting that trailer fixed, a few little things like that. That's good. It's a good thing to do. So that wherever I put this, at least I have that done. Might take it down and put it under that shed where the camper is down there. I could probably get it under a roof there where I could keep it sort of in the dry. No snakes so far. That don't mean there ain't any, it just means I ain't found them yet. I guess I could take this piece of rope, tie this off to the motor or something, maybe. So I might be able to get that motor to sit down. Just kind of looking at it, there's a mechanism, I believe, right here that releases that. And needs a little oil on it. Well, I don't know if it did me any good or not, but maybe it was better when it was up. At least I got something to move on this motor. Might be a good start. So it looks a little bit like what we have here is a piece of plywood bolted to possibly some oak. It's bolted to the floor, which is a good thing because there is a piece of oak underneath that which can be unbolted. The old plywood rotted out, but that's not too surprising, is it? That tends to happen. I think I'll get my vacuum cleaner out now and do some work with it. So that appears to be a big clog of dirt, and there's a drain hole back in there. I can just barely, almost not quite reach it. But, yeah, see, that needs to be unstopped. All in all, though, I think this flotation device stuff doesn't look too bad. It's not waterlogged, it's not rotted away. So I can see the drain hole. Back in there, you see it, little spot of light back there. Oh, there's a bunch more stuff all up in here. When I picked up that hose, I felt something that felt like a rock go down through it, and I bet it's the drain plug that used to go in. You know, these boats have a little, like a drain plug that you can put in back there. It snaps closed. I bet you I just sucked it into the vacuum cleaner, but I can get it out. That's cleaning that up good. I mean, that little hole there, where, see if I can show what you see it up in there. That looks good. As good as you could possibly expect. I had somebody on a boat page talk about that these boats, you have to watch and make sure that the this is what you call the transom here where the motor attaches, that's not bad. That one doesn't have a lot of jiggleability, I would say. It doesn't look too awful bad there, I think. It's a good clean hole. That ain't a crack, that's just a stain right there, I believe. Doesn't appear to be. Yeah. I believe this is a pretty good savable boat. You know, my thinking is somebody had a kid that wanted a boat for a kid to play with. It'd be a good project for them. More so than for me. I mean, I could put a motor on here and motor around in it, but I don't think I would enjoy it as much as a kid would. Or as much as a parent of a kid would, watching their kid ride around in it. So, something to think about. All right. I might stop there, because from there I can wash this out, and also, wash it out, rinse it out, throw some soapy water and a brush in there and clean it up good, tilt it up while the water will run out, and then also wash the outside. That would be good. So what I might do is strap the boat back to the trailer, pull it out there in the side yard, tip it up within reach of the water hose. Might do that out back. We'll see where we go from here. Once I get this out of here, though, I can bring the rat rod in. I want to work on the exhaust pipe on it, putting that exhaust header, exhaust pipe back on the tip of it. So that looks a good bit better. It's level on the trailer. The wheels are spaced about right. I'm gonna pull it out in the yard, just take it someplace where I can wash it. I may not wash it right now, but I'll sit it someplace with the front up where it can drain. I'll switch this out and bring the hot rod up.